Freeze! Don't move.
You got a nice potato gun. Barrel slip between that and the wide gauge. It's miniature FPS. And now you're out of ammo.
What's that thing on your chest?
Electromagnet. You should know. You got a box of them right there.
What does it power? I would have added in retro
Retroreflective panels?
to make him stealth mode.
You want a stealth mode?
Cool, right?
It's actually a good idea. Maybe I'll build one. What's his name?
Who?
The kid that bullies you at school.
How'd you know that?
I got just the thing. It's a very powerful weapon. Pointed away from your face. Press the button on top. It discourages bullying. Non-lethal, just to cover one's ass. Deal? What do you say?
Deal.
Deal? It's not your fault, kid. Remember what I told you about bullies?